What if I told you that some of your daily habits could slowly make your brain work less efficiently? Not overnight, not in a week, but little by little every single day. Your brain is constantly changing, and every thought, habit, and decision strengthens some neural connections while weakening others. Most people believe brain health depends on big decisions, but in reality, it's the small habits repeated every day that shape how your brain performs. Your brain naturally tries to save energy by choosing the easiest path, which is helpful for survival but not always for learning or growth. In today's world, endless notifications, social media, and constant distractions compete for your attention, leaving your brain with very little time to focus deep. If you've ever forgotten something simple or struggled to concentrate, it doesn't always mean you're lazy. Your brain may simply be overloaded. The good news is that your brain is incredibly adaptable. Just as unhealthy habits can weaken it over time, healthy habits can make it stronger. Scientists have spent decades studying how our daily routines affect memory, attention, learning, and overall brain performance. And the results are surprisingly clear. Today, we're going to uncover 3 common habits that quietly reduce your brain's performance without most people ever realizing it. Some of these habits are so common that you might be doing them every single day. So let's discover the first one. The first habit is not getting enough sleep. Many people believe losing a few hours of sleep isn't a big deal, but your brain strongly disagrees. While you sleep, your brain repairs itself, strengthens memories, organizes information, and clears away waste products that build up throughout the day. Without enough quality sleep, these important processes become less effective, making it harder to focus and learn. The second habit is endless scrolling on your phone. Every swipe gives your brain something new, and over time, it becomes addicted to constant stimulation, making it much harder to concentrate on one task for a long period. Your attention works like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes, but constant distractions weaken that ability. Many people also believe multitasking helps them get more done, but research suggests the opposite. Every time your brain switches between tasks, it loses a little focus and efficiency. The third habit is never challenging your brain. Just like your muscles, your brain grows stronger when you use it. Reading books, solving puzzles, learning new skills, or even studying a new language all create stronger neural connections. Regular exercise also plays a huge role by improving blood flow to the brain, supporting memory, and keeping your mind healthy as you age. The important thing to remember is that better sleep, stronger focus, continuous learning, and regular movement all work together to keep your brain performing at its best. Now that you know these 3 habits, it's time to learn how simple daily changes can help protect your brain and keep your mind sharp for years to come. If you want a sharper and healthier brain, start with better sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night because your brain can't perform at its best if it never gets enough time to recover. Next, train your focus by spending at least 20 minutes each day working on a single task without checking your phone or social media. Over time, your attention span will become much stronger. Reading is another powerful exercise for your brain because it improves memory, concentration, vocabulary, and critical thinking. Even reading just 10 pages a day can make a noticeable difference. Keep challenging yourself by learning new skills, playing an instrument, solving puzzles, or studying a new language, because every new challenge creates fresh brain connection. Regular exercise is equally important as it increases blood flow to the brain, supports memory, and boosts overall mental performance. Your brain also depends on good nutrition, so eat more fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and drink plenty of water to give it the fuel it needs to function at its best. Don't forget to manage stress by taking a few minutes each day to relax, breathe deeply, or go for a walk, because a calm brain thinks more clearly than a stressed one. Remember, a powerful brain isn't built in a single day. It's built one healthy habit at a time. The choices you make today will shape the brain you have tomorrow. Protect your greatest asset by sleeping well, focusing deeply, continuing to learn, staying active, and eating healthy. Small actions repeated every day create extraordinary results over time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed psychology and self-improvement content. And always remember, your future is built by the habits you practice today.